Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you're joining me for the first time and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do press that subscribe button below and also remember to hit that notification bell so that you always know when I upload new content. So I have laid out in front of me, you guys, everything that I've prepped to do some meal prepping. And tonight I am going to make one of two different chicken dishes. And the one that I'm going to make tonight is a chicken burrito bowl. Now, the beauty behind both of these recipes is that they both use virtually the same ingredients, but they are presented differently. So you guys, if you want to learn how to put together a chicken burrito bowl that is not only delicious, flavor packed, but it's also low carb, keto friendly, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, you guys, welcome back. So again, I have everything out in front of me that I'm going to be using for both of these meals. Now, what I've done is I went ahead and I prepped everything so that I could give you a visual, okay, of what you can do to save time. Now, over here, I've got tomatoes, I've got some onions, and I've got some green peppers. This is going to be used for meal number 2. But again, since I was going to use these same things for my chicken burrito bowl, I went ahead and prepped the veggies for meal number 2 as well. And over here, okay, is what we're going to be using this evening. So come on, you guys, get in close and let's cook together. All right, everyone. To put together this chicken burrito bowl, we're going to start with seasoning this chicken breast. That way we can set it aside so that all these seasonings can soak through into this meat. And then once we do that, then we are going to go over to the stovetop and we are going to put together some cauli rice. So we're going to start with some salt. And you guys do not skimp on seasoning, okay? We want this meal to be flavor packed. And it definitely starts with the seasoning. Got some salt, and I've got some paprika. Let me get something to sprinkle this on with. Otherwise, my fingers will be red. And also keep in mind, you can use your seasoning blend of choice, but I think that these blends of seasonings that I'm using tonight will lend itself well to my burrito bowl. And then you guys, I am going to sprinkle on some of this dash. And this is a Southwest Chipotle blend. And you guys, it's just filled with everything. It's got some chili peppers in it, some cumin, some thyme, some marjoram, some oregano. It's jam-packed with stuff, okay? And this is going to be so good on this chicken. If it smells this good right now, wait until we cook it. Wow. All right. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of black pepper. Okay, guys, so what I did to this side, I'm going to do to the other. Let's rub all of this in first, and then we are going to flip it over. All right, I have put the seasonings on the flip side of this chicken, and let me just rub it in. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of avocado oil on top of it, and then we are going to set this aside and get into making this cauli rice. Okay, let's rub this over this chicken. All right, you guys, this is all set to set aside, and we are going to get into making our cauli rice. Okay, everyone, so before we go on over to the stove to put together this Cauli rice. I will tell you that you can actually get some fresh cauli and you can grate it yourself. But for the sake of time, I am going to use the frozen. Because you guys, I have a hectic full-time job outside of the home and I've got 2 YouTube channels, okay? So I am going to do the quick and easy, but it's still going to be delicious because it is going to be packed with flavor. So meet me at the stove. All right, everyone. So to get started with putting together this Cauli rice, we are going to start with the flavor. So to this preheated skillet, I'm going to add some olive oil. Add the diced onions. And we're just going to sweat these onions, you guys. Some chicken bouillon. Some more of this chipotle spice. Because again, it is all about the flavor. Because as you are aware, if you've eaten cauli rice before, or cauliflower for that matter, it's bland, you guys. But when we're done, it's going to be anything but. Okay, that looks good. Some minced garlic. And now that these onions and this garlic have released their flavor, we are going to add some water to this pan. To which we are going to add our cauli rice. And give it a stir to incorporate all the flavors into this rice. All right, you guys, and we're going to cover it and we are going to let this simmer. And now we're going to get started with this chicken. All right, everyone, this skillet is hot for this chicken, and to it, we're gonna add some avocado oil because it has a higher heat rate than the olive oil. As a matter of fact, it's 500 degrees. Okay. Give that a few seconds to get heated. Let's check on this rice. And that looks amazing, you guys. We do not want to overcook it because we don't want soggy rice. So it's looking like this is about ready. Let me go ahead and turn this off. Okay. Once I get the chicken into the skillet, then we are going to put the finishing touches on this cauli rice. Okay. Let's swap those around for a second so I can finish up this cauli rice. We're going to add some cilantro. This is key, you guys. See this grease shield? Key. Because I've got grease all over my stove in that short span of time. So let's get back to this rice. A little bit more. It adds a nice touch of color to this rice. Then we've got some lime juice, fresh squeeze. And you guys, we just made ourselves a cilantro lime Cauli Rice. All right, there we have it, the rice. Okay, time to flip this chicken. And let it cook on this side. All right, everyone, this chicken is ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set it aside and let it rest so that all the juices can get incorporated back into this chicken, and we will have a very tender, juicy piece of meat. Okay, everyone, it is time to put this chicken burrito bowl together. And we are going to start with putting some of this cilantro lime Cauli rice at the bottom of this bowl. Followed by some lettuce. Then some of these peppers. Now this chicken. You guys getting hungry yet? I know I am. Then some of these tomatoes. And you guys, I put a little bit of olive oil on this along with some more of that Southwest chipotle seasoning. Because again, I want this bowl to be infused with seasoning from the very bottom all the way up to the top. We're not done yet. Some cheese. Sour cream. A little bit more lime juice. Just a little bit more of this cilantro, you guys. And there we have it. We've got ourselves a low-carb, keto-friendly, flavor-packed chicken burrito bowl. All right, everyone. Look what I made. This is amazing. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. The only thing left to do is to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. Wow. Here we go. pause for a minute so I could finish eating all that food that I stuffed into my mouth. But this stuff is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to give this a try. And when you do, please do let everybody know just how phenomenally delicious it is. Again, from the very bottom of this bowl with this cilantro, lime, cauli rice, to the very top with this seasoned to perfection chicken with the salt and the pepper and that Southwest chipotle spices that I have on it. This is absolutely amazing, you guys. So please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so, and also remember to hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I upload new videos. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special by putting together delicious meals such as this. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys, and I'll see you soon.